If you want to change volume on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. Of course, we can use volume up and volume down, and this changes the media volume. So this is a very simple and convenient way to change the media volume on your phone. And if you have this bar visible, then you can use your finger to adjust it just like that with your finger. Besides that, we have these three dots. If you tap on them, then we open this little panel, and in here we can change the volume level for system, for notifications, for AI assistant, for ringtones, and for the media again. Besides that, if you go to the quick settings panel, then here we have a similar bar, and this one changes the volume level for media again. So just like with volume buttons, here you can adjust quickly the media volume level. And you can also go to settings, and in settings we can find sounds and vibration. Here we can go to volume, and here, as you can see, we have the list of different sliders. So as you can see, we can change the ringtone volume here, the media volume, the notifications volume, system volume, AI assistant volume, and the alarm volume if you have the same volume for every alarm. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.